So manufacturing excellence is the core to what drives business. Through the disciplines of manufacturing excellence, okay, can somebody go from good to great?
Today was really good. It was interesting to see a mix of people from different brands and regions around the world come together and share their experiences, and curiously enough there was a lot of commonality. We're all talking about the same sort of themes on how do we improve visibility, transparency with the supply base, what tools are available out there, how do we align on best practice, concepts like that. So it was really interesting.